AB Courtyard Patio Package, Mocha. This patio package will fit on a 12 by 19 patio. These basic instructions can be modified to fit a different patio size. This layout will use the following blocks. The blocks are modular in size, with 2 AB York blocks equaling 1 AB Dublin block. The blocks come with built-in angles, so during construction, when an AB York, AB Dublin, or a wall cap meets up to a flat surface, some cutting will be required to give a finished look to the project. During construction, the AB Dublin blocks may be angled the wrong way, leaving a gap. Simply slide the block over and add in an AB York block. For more details on proper construction, see the AB Courtyard Reference Guide. Start by locating the placement of the posts on the patio. The open space and the posts should be centered on the patio. Place 2 corner blocks to mark the outside edge of where the posts will be. Leave a large enough opening between the post locations to easily walk through. Install 4 corner blocks to create the first course of the posts. Corner blocks have a long side and a short side. Place the long side facing out. Check for level and use shims if necessary. Install the next course of corner blocks so that they overlap the blocks below. This second pattern will offset the vertical seams. To start the wall panel, we will need to use a cut block. This creates a straight side to the block to place against the corner block, giving us a clean, flush look when meeting up with the flat surface. For this project, we will be cutting an AB Dublin block in half, as well as one in a 3/4 and 1/4 size. These cut pieces will then be used on every course where the blocks of the wall panels meet up with the flat surface of the post. When building the wall panels, installing 2 courses at the same time will help with block alignment. For the first course, use the pre-marked blocks and cut down the center of the raised ring to create the 3/4 and 1/4 size. Use a saw with a diamond blade and adhere to safety standards. Install the cut block against the center of the post to start the patio wall. Continue installing AB York and AB Dublin blocks to the desired length. To build a corner, an AB Dublin will need to be cut at the 3/4 and 1/4 size. Then on every course, one of the pieces will be used along with a corner block to create the corner. Place a smaller cut piece with the cut side facing out to complete the section. Then place a corner block to start the next section. Continue stacking AB York and AB Dublin blocks to the location where the bench will start. Finish with a cut block. Place 4 corner blocks with the long sides facing out to build the first post of the bench. Place the corner blocks so that the wall panel will be centered on the finished post. Measure out the length of the bench and place the first corner block of the second post. Stack the remainder of the corner blocks to complete the second post. Install the second course of both posts, alternating the pattern so the blocks are offset from the course below. Start the second course of the wall panel. Cut another AB Dublin block, this time in half. This will ensure the blocks line up properly and the seams are offset from the course below. Place the cut side against the corner block to create a finished look against the post. Then stack AB York and AB Dublin blocks to build this section and finish with a corner block. To build the corner, use a cut block and place the cut side against the corner block. Continue building towards the post block with AB York and AB Dublin blocks. At the end, place an AB Dublin that has been cut in half to meet up to the location of the bench. Install additional courses of post blocks, alternating the pattern on each course to offset from the course below. Stack up the third course of the wall panel, using cut blocks to meet up with the posts to create the corner and at the ends where it meets with the post for the bench seating. Finish the project with post caps and wall caps. You can choose to secure them in place with masonry adhesive. Install the bench material. We have used cedar deck boards to create our seating. On the opposite side of the layout, complete the wall section to the end of the proposed layout. Finish with the vertical end using corner blocks to have a finished look to your project. One block will have to be custom cut. If the project will be meeting up with an existing structure, cut blocks will be needed to finish the end in place of the corner blocks. Cut the AB Dublin blocks to create a flat side and finish the end as needed to create a finished look. For a complete library of AB Courtyard how-to sheets, visit us at allenblock.com and share your projects with us on social media. We'd love to see them.